Hey guys, this is Clinton Jeff and today we're doing a quick unboxing of the Sony XB900N. Alright, if you've known me over the years, you know I'm a huge Sony fan. I mean, they might not be as hot when it comes to phones as they used to be, but when it comes to cameras and audio, they are owning the scene. I actually use a Sony A6500 to record my video, but Sony is also owning it when it comes to headphones. In case you've been keeping a watch on the whole noise cancelling headphone scene, you've probably heard that Sony makes one of the best noise cancelling headphones in the business. This was a throne that was previously occupied by the Bose Quiet Comfort series. But nowadays you'll see more and more people wearing the Sony 1000XM3. This is Sony's flagship noise cancelling headphone series. And while they do cost a premium, they're totally worth the money. But not everyone can afford premium headphones, you guys. So that's why I was actually very excited to see Sony announce a new XB900N. The Sony XB900N, or the 900N as I'll refer to it going forward, is a much more approachable pair of noise cancelling headphones. Now obviously they won't sound the same as the 1000XM3, but are they still good enough? Well, I'm gonna test them out and see, but in the meanwhile, here's a quick unboxing of the Sony XB900N, just so you see what you get in that box. Alright, so before we open up the box, you should note the features right there on the front of the box itself. It says extra bass right there, it says 30 hours of battery life, that's good. There's also a very clear indication that you have Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa, depending on which voice assistant you want to use. And most importantly, it's wireless and has noise cancelling as well. I have a feeling this is going to be a pretty awesome pair of headphones, but let's open up that box. Alright, so you open up the box and you slide it out. Alright, pretty usual Sony box. Open that up and you have the headphones very nicely placed in the box itself, so it looks very premium right when you open it up. Alright, so I'm just gonna take out these headphones here and let's see what else you get. Alright, so first up you have the Type-C cable for charging. That's awesome. You also have a wired cable just in case you want to use these headphones in a wired connection instead. I'm not really sure why you want to do this, but maybe it'll help save your battery life. Apart from that, there's also a quick start guide and your usual manual and reference guide. Alright, and the last bit is a very handy carrying case. I actually really like that they gave a pretty high quality carrying case with these headphones. Seriously, I love a good carrying case for headphones because I tend to carry my headphones everywhere I go. So this is much appreciated. Alright guys, so that was a quick unboxing of the Sony XB900N. As always, if you guys have any questions about these headphones before I put up my review, please let me know right in the comment section below, or you can reach out to me directly on Instagram or Twitter at ClintonJeff. And don't forget, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button down here and maybe hit subscribe to get more tech videos by me. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.